Discover the magic of location adverbs in English. Hello, English language learners. In today's video, we're going to explore a fantastic tool that can make your English conversations more lively and informative: location adverbs. These are words we use to describe where something happens or is situated. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use location adverbs to paint vivid pictures with your words. So, let's get started. To begin with, let's understand what location adverbs are. Location adverbs are words or phrases that tell us where something is happening. These words help us add detail to our conversations and make our descriptions more vivid. Examples include above, below, here, there, inside, outside, upstairs, and downstairs. Now that we know what location adverbs are, let's see how to use them in sentences. It's important to note that location adverbs often come at the end of a sentence, but they can also be placed at the beginning for emphasis. For example, consider the sentence, "The book is upstairs." Here, upstairs is a location adverb telling us where the book is. We could also say, upstairs, the book is. This places more emphasis on the location. In this section, let's look at some of the most commonly used location adverbs and their meanings. 1. Here, this location is close to the speaker. 2. There, that location is away from the speaker. 3. Above, at a higher level. 4. Below, at a lower level. 5. Inside, within a particular space. 6. Outside, not within a particular space. 7. Upstairs, at a higher level in a building. 8. Downstairs, at a lower level in a building. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these adverbs in your daily conversations. Finally, it's essential to distinguish between location adverbs and prepositions of place. Both are used to describe the location of something, but their use in a sentence is different. Prepositions of place often require a noun or pronoun after them, while location adverbs do not. For example, consider the sentence, "The cat is under the table." Here, under is a preposition of place, and it requires the noun table to complete the sentence. But in the sentence, "The cat is inside," inside is a location adverb and the sentence is complete without a following noun. And that's a wrap for today's session. Now you know what location adverbs are, how to use them in sentences, and some of the most common ones in English. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice. So, try to incorporate these location adverbs in your daily English conversations, and you'll notice an improvement in no time. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English with us.